Who knows if it has grown or not?
Sister, what are you looking at?
Sister, what are you looking at? I saw this one looks like it's bearing fruit.
Even if it bears fruit, it's not edible yet. It's still too small.
Whether it can be eaten or not.
Pomelos can't be eaten, but you can eat rice anytime.
There is still some. I like to eat meat.
Use that piece of meat to fry with spicy fermented black beans.
Oh, that sounds nice and cozy. Oh, that's comfortable. This can be washed casually and it will be clean.
Just wash these vegetables casually and it will do.
Alright, let's go back and cook it. Okay, I'm going to cook it. Ah, finally arrived home.
I'll go peel the potatoes, sister.
Then I'll go pour out the fermented black beans. Pour out the fermented black beans. Sister, these spicy fermented black beans only smell stinky when poured out. It smells stinky, but it smells very fragrant when stir-fried. If it were before, I wouldn't bear to throw away all these skins.
Now they're all used to feed the pigs.
Oh. Start the fire.
Yeah. Sister, the pumpkin is almost done boiling.
Then I'll go pour out the fermented black beans. Oh, okay, once the oil is ready, I will take it out of the pot. Sister, come mix up the cucumber. Add the fermented black beans. Put some green onions. Take it out of the pot. Put some ginger and garlic. Add the potatoes. Pour in the chili peppers. Put a little salt. It's out of the pot. It looks like it's getting dark around 5 o'clock.
It's going to rain.
This spicy fermented black bean is so cozy.
It smells so good and tasty.
I also like to eat this spicy fermented black bean stir-fried lean meat. You just said it smelled really smelly. Does it taste delicious to you now?
It smells fragrant once it's stir-fried.
It's just that it smells smelly, but it actually tastes delicious. This fermented black bean is meant to be mixed with rice to taste good.
Sister, you have to finish eating this bowl first.
Eat it up. I'm going to eat 2 or 3 bowls of rice.
Sister, I just checked the weather forecast and it's going to rain again.
Guizhou's weather this year is really unpredictable.
It just loves to rain.
Is that so? Hurry up and eat. It comes to water down our soup. This bowl of ours has soup. We have soup here.